Hi, this is Pamela of Pamela Quilts, and today I am going to show you the unboxing video for my January 2023 Ambassador box from Island Batik. Uh, I've been an Island Batik Ambassador for 9 years now, and I'm excited to see what we have this year to work with for the first 6 months and show you some of the beautiful fabrics that are going to be arriving in your local quilt shop soon. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to pull out is this batting, and it's the Hobbs Heirloom 8020 black batting, which I really like. It's got a really nice hand to it, and it's a great batting, and I'm almost out of black, so I'm glad to have a whole another queen size to work with. This is the collection bundle that we'll be using for the first blog hop in February, and I received, this is Riverwalk, and this was designed by Jean Wells of the Stitch and Post and Sisters. So I'm in Oregon, so I'm acquainted with the shop, and the Sisters Quilt Show is one you would definitely put on your bucket list because it's a fabulous outdoor quilt show in July. But these are beautiful fabrics, very nature inspired, and soft blues and greens and teals and grays and creams. So I think that's going to be neat. I have started planning a quilt with these already because I peeked in my box last week. It arrived right before Christmas and I just couldn't wait. But these are just gorgeous, and I'm anticipating using them. And to go with them, I have, I'm sure in here some, well, I guess I'll get to that later. Get rid of the paper. Oh, my cat's going to be so happy. Let's see, we've got a stack, which is 10-inch squares, and this is, ooh, fun colors. This is called Exuberance, and I'm assuming it was designed by Kathy Engel. She does such a wonderful job with her colors and designs, and there's some beautiful blue and pink, almost purpley, so that should make a very fun, bright quilt. To go with that, I have this yellowish donut, and this is a neutral, and smoke. That's a nice contrast. That'll really bring out those brights. So those are gorgeous. So fun. Stash builder rolls. These are always great. These are 4 5-inch strips of fabric all rolled up, and they always have all kinds of different fun color combinations. This one's got some nice limey green. And I've got another package. This one's kind of assorted. It's got different colors in it. Aren't they fun? I thought there was a, there it is. Thought I spotted another one in here. And this one has some purples and blues, so those will all be fun to play with. We've got, oh, a color builder box from Aurifil, and that's for a challenge. And I think we're doing a crazy quilt challenge with these, if I remember right. And what I received was frangipani. I'm not sure the pronunciation of that. I'll have to look it up. But it's a beautiful flower. And these are, you see the kind of grayish, tealish, greenish colors. 2 of them are variegated, and one is a kind of a medium. So those will be interesting to interpret into a project. I love Aurifil thread. I almost exclusively use that just because it just, my machine loves it, and it always sews up wonderful. Oh, some more pre-cuts. Got, this is called Maple Island. Pretty. Muted greens and blues. Oh, that's very soft and pretty. And to go with it, I've got this lovely dark green, which is spinach. And this is called Ice, and it's from the Bodacious Black collection of neutrals. And it's kind of got a little cream in it there. So you can see how nicely those go together. Maple Island, I am assuming, was designed also by Kathy Engel. She does most of the designing. And I love her colors. What can I say? Another pre-cut. These are brilliant blues. So they're doing something new, and they're going to have their basics. I think they're called basics or new, or anyway, always available, but in pre-cuts now. So that makes it really fun because it's not, you know, limited to a certain year, and you should be able to get them for a long time. So that's always nice, especially when you're designing and people ask you, where can I get this material? And sometimes you just have to say, I'm so sorry, that was an old line and they don't make it anymore. Got this nice bundle of Batik foundations. So there's blues. Oh, I think that's, if I remember right, that's like ocean navy. That's what I used for the background of my Lone Star. That's a beautiful color. Cobalt, dark gray. We've got rain. This is dot sky. These are blenders. Rain, solids here. We've got orange. Love lime green. That's always great for a pop of color. Shark, which is kind of a nice blue-gray. This is pine cone, which is a lovely dark green. This one is dot tin. That's a really nice, great for a neutral. We've got this one, which is black. They call it, I can't read it, dandelion, because it's got these swirly flowers. So kind of nice. Not too bright, but a little pop in there. That orange and green will be nice complements to the rest of them. Oh, here's the ones that coordinate with the bundle. I have got, they always give us a dark and a light, which is nice. So this is called Bird's Nest, and it's ocean, and that must be part of the collection. And this one is one of their neutrals or blenders. This is dot sky. So that's a nice soft blue. So those go really well with my bundle that's down at the bottom there. You can see it right hiding back there. So we've given 6 yards of a neutral, which is sprinkles from the basic line. And this is one I've used lots of times. It's kind of got a little blue-greenish look to it, little dots in swirls, and I really like that as a neutral. Oh, we've got our black, white, and gray solids, 4 yards of each, so those come in super handy. And last but not least, tantalizing teal strips. So pretty. I just love all the different colors. I really like pre-cuts, so those will be fun to use. And I got a nice bundle. This is a surprise bundle for later on. And this is fun. So, mystery. I don't know what's in that blue bundle, but we'll find out in a few months. And I also have a copy of the Fall Winter Catalog, which is lots of quilts coming up. All right, that's it for that box. So I'm gonna just shove it down here. Hopefully not bump my camera too much. More paper for the cat. Well, he's gonna have enough paper for the rest of the year. Oh, a nice little package from Schmetz Needles. Let's see what we got this time. We've got 3 packages of needles. We've got piecing and quilting needles all in one package here. So we've got quilting and then Microtex. So that's a handy little bundle. Oh, I've been eyeballing this on their website. It's a 10 needle costume pack. So it has, universal needles, stretch needles, jeans needles, and microtex needles in sizes from 11 all the way up to 16. So, you know, a pack of these would meet most of your needle needs for quite some time. And a package of vinyl needles. Now that's interesting. Those will be good to try out. And I also have a project I want to do. We have a exercise machine that needs a new seat cover that's vinyl, so I will have to try those out and see what I think. Got a pocket guide and a nice luggage tag that's got the color code chart on it for all the needles. So, some great stuff there. Oh, here we go. We've got the from Studio 180 Designs, and they're sponsoring a challenge. And this is the Rapid Fire Lemoyne Star. I am excited to try this out. I love Lemoyne stars. And this one makes a star that you don't have to do a set-in seam. So I'm particularly interested in trying it out. I've loved all their other rulers, and I own a few of them. So this will be really great to work with. More batting. Hobbs Heirloom. This is a queen size. This is their premium heirloom batting, which is 80/20 polyester. Very nice. A good basic batting, multi-purpose. Ooh, poly down. Yay. This is a nice fluffy poly bat. It's really easy to work with. My machine likes to quilt on this, and it makes a nice soft quilt. I put this in a quilt that I really like using on my bed, and it washes up so nicely. And 80/20 bleached cotton. So that's really nice to use when you have a quilt that's got a lot of white. So it doesn't, because it doesn't give you a cream cast underneath the white. So I like this too. And I believe this is another 80/20. It needles well, it keeps its loft, washes great. Hobbs battings, you just can't lose. I've loved every single one of them that I've tried. So that's it for my box. I'm looking forward to this year as an Island Batik ambassador and creating some more fun quilts and sharing the journey with you. So keep an eye on my blog, my Facebook, and Instagram. You can find me at Pamela Quilts in all those places, and my blog is pamelaquilts.com. You have to check out, I've been working on my pattern store, which you can find in a tab at the top of my blog. So if you shop, you can see patterns and purchase the digital versions from PayHip. And if you're looking for printed patterns, you can find those on Etsy. If you're a shop owner, email me at pamelaquilts@gmail.com, and I would love to send you patterns. So I have samples of a lot of them that I'm willing to lend out as well. So give me a buzz if you're interested. Thanks a lot for watching, and join me and the other Island Batik ambassadors as we embark in a new year. Happy New Year, and have a great day. Bye.